Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have this look for you guys, and I'm posting this on Friday even though Valentine's has passed, because I know that some people don't like to go out on Valentine's Day. So this is for you guys that celebrate after Valentine's Day. So I know I'm going to be doing that, so I thought I'd still post this on Friday. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, this little tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm taking that shade that I pointed to and just dusting that all over the crease area, as you can see me doing here. To get a nice blend, I'm using wiping motions and circular motions. Here, I'm just taking a little bit more of that shade and intensifying that eyeshadow. Now I took a different brush to make sure all the edges are nice and blended. So I'm taking that mauve shade with this brush and putting it right in the crease, trying to be kind of more precise than I was with the other shade. And then I'm also taking it in my outer corner of my lid. After applying more of that mauve shade to my brush, I'm just intensifying the eyeshadow and making sure it's as pigmented as I would like it to be. Now using that black brush again with whatever product is left over from the brown eyeshadow we used, I'm just blending those two shades together. Now going in back with this brush with whatever product is left over from the mauve shade, I'm just making sure that the mauve shade is peeking through. And again, just blend, blend, blend. Make sure everything is nice and blended. I'm taking a flat shader brush and just swiping and packing that eyeshadow into the inner half of my eyelid. I'm also using my finger just to blend it out, and then going back in with the mauve shade to intensify the color, because we did lose some of its color. I'm just taking a makeup remover wipe and just cleaning up for the next step. So I'm taking an angled eyeliner brush and just trying to make a small little baby wing. Using that makeup remover wipe really helped me to have a guideline to create this wing. I've actually haven't done wing eyeliner in such a long time. I'm taking the foundation and the illuminating liquid because I wanted a matte look but still be illuminating. So I'm just applying that all over my face. I'm taking my concealer under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and on my chin. And I will be blending that out with my Real Techniques sponge. Using my translucent powder, I'm setting my under eyes and everywhere where I applied concealer. So I'm taking the brown shade with this small bullet brush and just applying that underneath my eyes. Now I'm taking the mauve shade to make everything cohesive. I'm taking that eyeshadow on my tear duct and on my brow bone. Taking this shade, I'm going to use it to contour / bronze on my cheeks and also on my forehead. So I'm applying the Essence blush and I fastly realized that it was too coral. So I'm taking a more cool tone blush, you'll see right now. And I think this worked much better. Now I'm taking some translucent powder to clean up. I'm applying Mary Luminizer to highlight my cheekbone and on top of my eyebrow, as well as the bridge of my nose and also my cupid's bow, and then a little bit on my chin. Okay, here I'm applying L'Oreal Voluminous Mascara, and I didn't apply any falsies, I just went in with only mascara. Now I'm applying the lipstick in Velvet Teddy, and this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.